Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julvenry, NAM 19074046. How to read an electrical diagram. Map of electrical carrying to find his part from positive to negative. Now this is a map of Missouri, and I happen to live in Missouri in spring. I have a friend that lives in Kansas City, and if we both wanted to go on a trip and meet me in St. Louis, I will take this road and he will take the older road, and we will meet in St. Louis. Well, electrical map, this will be the power side and his will be the ground side and ST. Louis will be the load. Now this power, when you are color coding the power that is directly to the load is always color red, and the ground road that is directly to the load is always color red green. That's true owner electrical diagram show on the map or on a diagram. First thing to do is locate the load. Now load is a device, is something that consumes the power. It does work like a light bulb, a blower motor, a coil. The second thing is to do is locate the power source or the fuse that send feeds the power, and the truth is to locate the ground source where the ground originates. An electrical diagram would look like this. Reverse word locate. The load never remember this is a map, so this is your destination where you want to end up. You want to have starting point for the power find the fuses in PowerPoint, and want to find the ground source, the place where the ground originates. That's the first thing to locate. Now you notice that they are both going to be pointing toward the destination or the load. So let's read electrical diagram and see how it fits together. An electrical diagram. Here is their wings we locate. Before we start looking at the map, notice the work of your battery. Of that means the source of this power is the battery on. Battery is not turned on, it does. The battery is not turned on, it doesn't have a switch. There is power in that battery, and all times, so we are going to color that red because red means it has power at all times. This leads us to our first rule: voltage and ground always stop at an open circuit. Now here this switch is open, so since it is an open circuit, rid of that power is going to stop right there always. And on the ground side it has ground all the time because it says G105. That means it is a body ground source. We are going to color that green. because green means it has grown at all times. It is not turned on if that is bolted down to the frame. It has grown now that come frame or rule the voltage ground all we stop it at an open. Now the next power source. Over here the word says star run. That means you only have power if you have switched to the start of switch to the run position. So that is a switched power Joanna color in orange. Anything in orange mean is only has power when it is switched on or turned on. And look down here at the button, you see this dotted square. This is the PCM. If that happened to me, a solid square instead of the dotted, that would mean it is all inclusive. Everything is in there but the fact that it is. It means that there is actually more in this PCM that we're looking at. It is only displaying what we are concerned about in this diagram. Now we look down here, we see that the PCM supplies ground for the fuel pump relay control. So we are going to call here this yellow. No, yellow means it only has ground when it is switched on. If you notice on the right, the red is power at all times. It is not switched on. In the green is ground at all times. It is not switched on, but something has to be switched on. Or if it has to be switched on the ground set, we always color yellow. Now this up here is an electromagnetic, and electromagnet has power and ground it activities, and when it activities is in sphere magnetic pulse across, and it closes the switch sense that is that which is not open. It is now closed. Power can travel. It travels down to the fuel pump. It finds this ground, and a fuel pump consumes the power. Here is. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.